Hi guys, this is the tutorial on how to use the Screaming Frog log analyzer to process your logs so you can upload them to BigQuery. So we'll begin by downloading and installing the Screaming Frog log analyzer. I've already done this, so I'm just going to open it up. And we get this nice clear interface. We just need to drag and drop our log files into here. If you haven't got any, then you can just click here to import some demo ones. But I've got some from my own site. So we'll just call this test. We'll leave this as is and press OK. And then most of us will see this little box here. This is because Screaming Frog Log Analyzer hasn't found the host name of our website in the log files, so I have to put it in for it. If you have both HTTP and HTTPS, then pick whichever one is the main one for your site. And for me, most of the time, I'm HTTP. We can see it in imports. This is very, very quick because I'm loading a very small amount of logs for this video. However, in my experience, this works for anywhere up to about 6 GB of log file. So then we're going to select the Events tab, and we can see here our lines of logs. I'm going to click Export. Just save it in there. And now we're almost done. That's basically it. The final thing that we need to do is we're going to need to make two small alterations to this. Firstly, this CSV file has 4 blank lines to begin with. And then secondly, you can see this timestamp here has the month as a 3-letter word. And we need to change that to a number. So this is a program that I built that you can download just below this video that we're going to use to do both those things. It's very, very simple. We're just going to click on it to open it. This console window is going to open up, which we're going to ignore, and wait for the actual program to open. It's quite slow. Unfortunately, there's not much I can do about that. However, it should run on really any size of log file. I tested it up to about 6 GB and it worked fine. So we click Browse and select our events file, and then press Start. It's going to take a moment. We let it run, and then when it's done running, it's going to output it. All I did is I just downloaded the program and then put it into the folder where my log files were. And we can see here now that we have the events here, but then the sf_process.csv. And then if we open this in Excel, we can see we just see a nice sort of very simple CSV file. This is showing Excel's formatting of it, but behind this is now numbers rather than months. And that's great. Now we're ready to upload to BigQuery.